Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's video is actually pretty cool. You know, for the subscribers, you've seen the Beetle. It's something that we've been working on and off for a while, almost too long. And obviously this car sits most of the time. You know, we don't drive it down the street yet because it still needs a lot of work. We've been just doing it in between jobs. And because the car sits, now it has developed lifter noise, you know, a tapping sound from a lifter. And this is a perfect opportunity to try a product that I have used in the past very successfully. It's called Rislone. It's not a commercial, it just happened to develop this noise and figure, hey, let's try it and see if it's going to take care of it. If the noise is coming from a clogged lifter or dirty lifter, this will clean it up. If the lifter is completely collapsed and is defective, then this is not going to do it and it's going to have to be replaced. So before we tear into the engine, let's just try it and see what it does. So I'm going to start it and we're going to hear this sound, and as the vehicle is running, I'm going to go ahead and pour it and see if it cleans it up and the noise goes away. So let's do it. Bring the camera close so you can hear it. So the ticking sound that you hear, that's a lifter. So like I said, when I go ahead, while the vehicle is running, we're going to go ahead and pour some of this. So like I said earlier, if the lifter is dirty, let's go clean it up. You don't want to overfill your crankcase, so if your oil level is full, you're going to have to drain some to make up for whatever you're pouring. Because this is a 4-cylinder, the most that I'll pour in is half a bottle. So I'm not quite there yet. If I have half a bottle in, what I'm going to do now to make sure that it circulates really, really well, I'm going to give the engine a little bit of gas. Raise the RPM. And there you go, no more lifter noise. So the Rislone actually took care of it. So there you go. If you ever encountered a tapping sound like the one this engine had, and your engine has either hydraulic lifters or hydraulic lash adjusters, and you're trying to avoid tearing it apart because of the expense or how time consuming it's going to be, try Rislone. This is a very good additive. If the noise, just like I said at the beginning of the video, is coming due to the fact that the lifter is clogged, dirty, this will clean it up. Remember, if the lifter or lifters are fully collapsed, this is not going to work. In our case, it was just dirty, and I kind of knew it because the car sits a lot. So This gave me an opportunity to show you this product, and this product right here may just save you from tearing an engine apart that doesn't need to be torn down, and save you a lot of money that you can spend elsewhere. Take a vacation, take a cruise, something. So thanks for watching today's video. See you next time.